Using a portable generator to power a home without a transfer switch presents potential dangers and is illegal in many areas. There are significant safety hazards to consider. Firstly, backfeeding is a major concern. Electricity can flow back into the power company's power lines, which endangers line workers and anyone else who might come into contact with the lines, assuming they are energized. Secondly, electrical shock is a hazard. If the neutral is not properly disconnected, or if there is improper grounding, there is a risk of severe electrical shock. Thirdly, fire is a hazard. Improper wiring or overloading circuits can cause electrical fires. These are all very serious outcomes that need to be mitigated. There are also legal issues to think about. Firstly, in many jurisdictions, a permit is required to install a permanent or semi-permanent generator with a transfer switch. This is because these installations must meet specific safety standards. Secondly, connecting a generator without a transfer switch may violate local building codes. Building codes are in place to ensure electrical systems are installed safely. Thirdly, your insurance company may deny coverage for damages or injuries caused by improperly using a generator. This can result in huge financial losses in the event of an incident. So, what are some alternatives to using a portable generator improperly? Firstly, you should get a transfer switch installed. This is the safest and most legal way to connect a generator to your home's electrical system. A transfer switch ensures that you can safely switch between utility power and generator power without the risk of backfeeding. Secondly, consider using a generator inlet. Install an inlet that allows you to connect a generator to your home's electrical system through a dedicated circuit. This provides a safe and convenient way to connect your generator. Thirdly, consider an interlock kit. This device prevents backfeeding of electricity into the power company's lines. It's a mechanical device that ensures only one power source, either the utility or the generator, can be connected at a time. Now, why are portable generators sold with multiple plugs and receptacles? Portable generators are sold with multiple plugs and receptacles to provide flexibility in powering appliances and devices during power outages. However, these generators should not be used to power your entire home without a proper transfer switch or other approved method. Using a portable generator without a transfer switch is dangerous and illegal. It is important to follow proper safety guidelines and local regulations to ensure your safety and the safety of others. If you are unsure about how to connect a generator to your home, consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your situation and recommend the best solution for your needs, ensuring that the installation is done safely and legally. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when dealing with electricity and generators. A transfer switch isolates the generator's power from the utility grid, preventing backfeed. When the utility power is restored, you switch back to the utility, again ensuring no backfeed to the utility. An interlock kit is a mechanical device that allows only one breaker, either the main breaker or the generator breaker, to be on at any given time. It physically prevents both breakers from being on simultaneously. This ensures the generator can't backfeed the utility lines. A generator inlet box is a specialized electrical receptacle designed for connecting a generator to your home's electrical system. It's typically installed on an exterior wall and wired directly to your home's electrical panel. It provides a safe and convenient connection point for the generator. The proper way of using it is to connect the generator to the inlet box using a heavy-duty extension cord rated for outdoor use. Then flip the interlock device to energize the generator breaker. It supplies power to a specific circuit or the entire house, depending on the setup. The generator should be placed outdoors in a well-ventilated area to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Never run a generator inside a home, garage, or enclosed space. Carbon monoxide is a deadly, odorless gas. Install carbon monoxide detectors in your home to provide an early warning of carbon monoxide buildup. Test the generator regularly to ensure it starts and runs properly. Check the oil level, fuel level, and air filter before each use. Keep the generator clean and free of debris. Store the generator in a dry, secure place when not in use. Follow all of the manufacturer's instructions for operating and maintaining the generator. A qualified electrician is an expert in electrical systems and can ensure that your generator is installed safely and correctly. They can assess your home's electrical system and recommend the best solution for your needs. They can also install the transfer switch, generator inlet, or interlock kit according to local electrical codes. An electrician can help you obtain the necessary permits and inspections to ensure that your generator installation meets all applicable regulations. They can also provide you with valuable advice on how to safely operate and maintain your generator. A qualified electrician will ensure that the grounding is correct. Grounding is essential for preventing electrical shock. They will also ensure that the wiring is properly sized and protected. Overloaded circuits can cause fires. They will also test the installation to ensure that it is working properly. A permit is an official authorization from your local government that allows you to perform certain types of work on your property, including electrical work. Permits are required to ensure that the work meets local building codes and safety standards. The permit process typically involves submitting plans to the local building department for review. Once the plans are approved, you will be issued a permit. Inspections are conducted by local building inspectors to ensure that the work is being done according to the approved plans and local building codes. If the work fails inspection, you will be required to make corrections until it passes.